Daddy, why do you have that stick?
I just thought we should bring it along. How about a race home?
Okay, Daddy.
Come on, Jill. We don't want to stay here long.
Where do you think they're all going?
North. Maybe it's warmer there.
I don't like them birds. Why are they following us?
I don't know, Jill. Come on. We still have a long ways to go.
More of them are joining. They don't look very friendly.
Don't look at them, sweetheart.
They're making the sky go down.
Keep going.
I'm scared.
Need a lift?
We're going shooting. Wanna come?
Can you take Jill home? I don't think that I can fit.
Sure, Nat.
Come on, Jill. We'll get you home.
I'll follow behind you guys.
She made it inside. You think that the Russians are making them go crazy?
It's possible. You should board up your windows.
They won't attack the houses, will they?
I don't want to take any chances. You should block the chimney just as well.
It shouldn't be a problem. What bird would be stupid enough to throw themselves out a brick wall?
You can never be too careful.
Your wife is waiting inside with the boy. She's getting pretty worried.
I should hurry home. I don't like the looks of those birds.
Wouldn't you rather come shooting with us?
I would rather not. I don't think that it's safe to go shooting with the birds going crazy and all.
All right, you're lost. We're going to have enough bird to last us for weeks.
Be careful.
Bye, Nat.
Bye.
Here you go.
Please.
Open up, it's me! Open! Open! Johnny, Jill, go upstairs and bring the mattress down here to the kitchen. Then bring the wireless. It will be all right as long as we stay inside. Hurry up, children, faster.
Here you go, Dad.
Thanks, son. Did you go to the market today? Honey?
I wasn't going to go until tomorrow.
We will have to ration until this ends, but I think that we will only have enough to last a few days.
The birds will have to sleep sometime. We could go out and look for supplies while they are resting.
We can try. Barricade the doors. Come on, son.
Okay, Dad.
But will it hold?
It will. We're just gonna have to board it up. This should hold. It should. We should see what BBC has to say about the birds.
A state national emergency has been issued this evening. Please, for your safety, stay inside and board up any openings, windows, and chimneys. Make sure that no one remains outside in the open. The Air Force is being sent out to deal with the problem. There will be no more transmissions until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning.
What happened? Was it the birds?
No, Jill. Everyone is very busy trying to get rid of the birds.
I wish we had a gramophone. Then we wouldn't have to listen to the birds.
I can hear the plane. Brains! Do you think they won, Dad?
Yes, Johnny, they did.
Come, children, let's wash up for supper, and then it's time for bed.
Okay, Mummy.